Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
In the aftermath of a dastardly attack on soldiers of the Nigerian army that claimed the lives of 17 soldiers, the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, says it will support the families of the fallen heroes who met their untimely deaths while in active service. The Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ubuku, who made this known during a condolence visit to the 6th Division of the Nigerian Army at Bori Camp, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, said the Commission's support is an appreciation of the deceased soldiers' contribution to the relative peace enjoyed in the region.
To condole with the Army, the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, paid a visit to the General Officer commanding the 6th Division of the Nigerian Army in Bori Camp, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. During the visit, the Managing Director, Dr. Samuel Oboko, appreciated the cordial relationship between the Commission and the military formation in the past, while regretting the action of the unscrupulous elements who carried out the merciless attack on the officers and men of the Nigerian Army.
They have paid the ultimate sacrifice. So the only thing we can do is also to appreciate the families, to let them understand that we love them.
Dr. Oboko also appealed to the Army to maintain professionalism in their quest to fish out the perpetrators of this condemnable act. The General Officer commanding 6th Division of the Nigerian Army, Major General Jamal Abdul Salam, in his response called on citizens who have any information on the whereabouts of the culprits to come forward.
Our mission is to get our weapons that have been carted away by these criminals back, and to arrest all those that took part in the gruesome murder of our officers and soldiers.
In another development, the new flag officer commanding Eastern Naval Command, Rear Admiral Said Akiwande, paid a courtesy visit to the corporate headquarters of the Intervention Agency in Port Harcourt on the assumption of office as the 41st Commanding Officer. He assured the Commission of his commitment to sustain the long-standing relationship between the two entities as the Navy continues to protect the maritime environment of the country, which will, in turn, promote the socio-economic well-being of the Niger Delta people.
And also to reinforce that collaborative engagement, that cooperation that has been developed between the Nigerian Navy and the Commission. Again, to also reassure you, sir, that we remain committed to that support.
Dr. Oboko appreciated the support of the Nigerian Navy in maintaining relative peace in the region, which is making it possible for the Commission to deliver on its mandates, while also playing its part in ensuring sustainable peace and progress in the region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,